Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola smartphone. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll down and choose Security section. After that you need to click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to enter it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now answer this question by choosing one of those options. What do you want the lock screen to display? I will go with Don't show notifications at all, so I have to click on this option here and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I turn off my screen and following that turn it back on, as you can see, PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!